In this PayPal tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to link your TD bank account to your PayPal account here on PayPal. So once PayPal is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom right and press on Wallet. And then where it says Banks and Cards, go ahead and press on Add New. Then press on Banks. Now on this page right here, if you want to link your TD account, go to where it says TD Bank and press on that. It'll then go ahead and redirect you to a new sign-in page right here, where you can actually go ahead and sign into your TD account and connect it, and then go to the bottom, press on Agree and Link to link your TD bank account. So pretty simple, but that is how to link your TD bank account to your PayPal account here on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.